Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on your DELL Pro 14. To enable Portable Hotspot, you need to have an active internet connection, either using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. And to activate your hotspot, you have to open the control center and then using this small arrow icon on the right side, go to the next page and click on the Mobile Hotspot icon to turn it on. If you want to configure your hotspot, you have to right-click this icon and select Go to Settings. Here you can enable or disable it. You can change which kind of connection you want to share, or how you want to share your connection, either using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can enable or disable power saving mode. If it's enabled, then your portable hotspot will automatically shut down after some time of inactivity. In properties, you can change network's name, password, and band by clicking Edit and changing the values in here. You can also check your hotspot's password in here. To apply changes, click Save. Below you can find a QR code which you can scan using other device's camera to quickly connect to this mobile hotspot, and you can see the list of connected devices at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.